Welcome back po sa aming YouTube channel. Ako po si Andrew Fabillar Jr., your IMG Financial Coach. So, ang i-share ko po sa inyo for this YouTube video is yung ino-offer namin dito sa IMG. No? One of the best products po na ino-offer namin dito sa IMG, which is the Manila Bankers Life Most 18 and GRP. So, dyan po iikot ang ating online training for this YouTube video. So, prepare your financial outlook for whatever life may offer. So, here in IMG, we teach our members itong ating X-curve concept. So, this is a very powerful concept, yet very simple. So, there are two lines. So, the line going down, we call it yung responsibility line. And then, yung pataas naman po, we call it the savings line. So, ang ibig po nitong sabihin, para po mapababa natin yung responsibility natin, kailangan po natin mag-save ng pera over time. So, habang tumatanda tayo, dapat pataas po ang ating savings. Hindi po zero every month, no? Para po bumaba ang ating responsibility. So, on the first stage, yan po yung tinatawag nating younger years. So, ito po yung nag-start pa lang tayo magtrabaho or nasa productive years pa tayo. At this stage, we work hard for the money. Nagpapakapagod po tayo para magkaroon tayo ng sahod, magkaroon tayo ng income. So, during this stage, wala pa tayong savings, no? Wala pa tayong sapat na savings, but we have a big, huge responsibility. So, ano ba yung mga responsibility na yan? Yan yung ating basic needs, yan yung mga, hindi lang basic needs natin, no? Basic needs din po ng ating family. So, we need to provide it for them, especially kung kayo po ang breadwinner ng family. Okay? So, but the big question kasi dyan, meron kasi tayong tinatawag na two uncertainties in life. So, di ba? Pag in-spoil po natin yung life, meron pong malaking if sa gitna. So, in life po is, what if you die too soon? So, the solution for that is yung insurance natin. Okay? Para po, kahit wala pa tayong savings, yung insurance will serve as instant money para sa ating family. Yan po yung marireceive nilang instant money in case something happens to the breadwinner. The second if naman, dyan po natin magagamit dun sa second stage, which is the older years. So, sa older years po, dapat alam na po natin kung paano pagpatrabahuin yung pera para sa atin. Kasi during this stage, matanda na po tayo and retired na po tayo, hindi na po tayo, wala na po tayong capability magtrabaho. Okay? So, sabihin natin kayang po magtrabaho pero hindi na po masyado qualified ang isang matanda sa mga companies. Hindi na po talaga kinoconsider. So, mas maganda po, during our older years, meron na tayong big savings. Okay? So, yung big savings na yun, ilalagay natin siya sa investment vehicle na magbibigay sa atin na interest rate, no? Na malaking interest rate. So, during this stage, yan na, pumapasok yung second if. What if you live too long? So, malamang good news to para sa atin kasi mahaba pa yung buhay natin. Pero ang big question dito is, napaghandaan po ba natin yung mahabang buhay na yun? Yung biyaya ng Diyos sa atin? So, mas maganda po, para good news yun, paghandaan po natin. So, paano po natin paghandaan? By providing ourselves a proper investment and availing a long-term healthcare habang nasa productive years pa po tayo. Kasi hindi po natin nabibili ang long-term healthcare pag kailangan na po natin ito. So, ayan po ha. So, para po, yung investment natin is para pang-provide sa basic needs natin and yung long-term healthcare naman is para sa healthcare needs natin. So, mas maganda po na separate po yan. Hindi po lahat sa investment kasi ang investment eventually nauubos din, di ba? So, mas maganda po na separate siya. Okay? So, yan po. So, during this stage, wala na tayo masyadong responsibility kasi most likely, yung mga kapatid nyo or anak nyo napagtapos nyo na ng aral, so nag-aaral na rin sila, diba? So, ang responsibility mo na lang dito is yung sarili mo. So, syempre, hindi naman natitigil yung basic needs natin like yung food and shelter natin. So, kailangan pa rin po natin mabuhay. Okay? So, yun yung sasagot po dyan yung investment natin. Okay? So, you must protect your responsibilities while building wealth. Okay? So, kailangan talaga natin ng insurance. So, kasi kailangan natin i-protect yung responsibilities di ba? Okay, think about this. How long would you want to live? Hanggang kailan? Do you have enough money from 65 years old to 80 years old? Number 2, do you know where to get the money that you will need on a daily basis, yung basic needs natin? Alam nyo kung saan kayo kukuha? And then number 3, if you are here at age 65, where will you be at age 70? Steps to getting. So number 1, know why you need life insurance. Number 2, kailangan po natin alamin kung magkano yung insurance na kailangan natin. Yan. And number 3, know how to buy life insurance. Kung paano bibili. Okay? So, ayan po yung mga alamin natin. So, before that, let's know kung ano ba yung purpose of insurance. So, insurance is for protection should anything happen to you. While insurance is not a fun topic, it is a critical part of your financial strategy. So, most people have good protection on their houses and cars, but few have enough for their loved ones. Tama ba to? Diba? Kung meron tayong magandang sasakyan or magarang bahay, so yun po yung usually ang protected. Hindi po yung mga nakatira doon o yung may-ari ng sasakyan. So, yung iba naman, merong protection, pero kung itatanungin mo kung magkano insurance coverage, yung pinakamura pa. So, wag po kasi mas mahal. Alin ba yung mas mahal nyo? Pamilya nyo o yung mga bagay na nabibili lang? Siyempre, di ba, yung ating loved ones. So why buy insurance? Because we love someone. You only protect what is precious to you. You don't protect something has no value. Okay? Kaya pinoprotektahan din natin yung cars and yung house natin because it has value. So, let's see kung ano ba yung real foundation in building wealth. So, yan yung life insurance and health insurance. So, the most important products people need to own. But people don't realize this until they need it. So, you cannot buy insurance when you need them. So, sadly, kasi minsan may mga nakakausap din kami dito sa IMG na ina-encourage namin mag-start ng life insurance and healthcare insurance nila. Pero, huli na, no? Na kailangan na nila yung coverage. Pero hindi na po pwede yun, no? So, you can only buy insurance while you don't need them, no? Hindi nyo po yung mabibili pag kailangan nyo na. Okay? So, you don't need life insurance if, number 1, you have no responsibility. Okay? Wala ka po bang responsibility? Napakaswerte mo kung wala kang responsibility. Okay? Number 2, your savings is higher than your responsibilities. Okay? So, kaya po, I'll give an example for this. Like for example, si Senator Manny Pacquiao. So, di ba, napakayaman na ni Senator. So, hindi niya na kailangan ng life insurance kasi anytime yung kanyang pera is matatransfer niya na sa loved ones niya. So, and sa profession niya, sa pagiging boxer, wala rin sa kanya sigurong tatanggap, no, na insurance sa company because of his profession. Okay? So, ayan po. So, ayan po ang next consideration. And number 3, you will not die. So, kung hindi po kayo mamatay, immortal po ba kayo? So, lahat po tayo, di ba? Mamamatay naman talaga. Okay? So, kailangan po natin ng life insurance. So, paano ba malaman kung magkano yung enough life insurance coverage para sa atin? So, ang general formula po is annual income multiplied by 10. So, kung magkano po yung nare-receive nyo na annual income, like for example, that's 500,000, tapos multiply po nyo yun by 10, that's 5 million. So, bakit 5 million? Kasi yung 5 million, kung ilalagay mo siya sa 10%, no? 10% na interest rate, that's ano po yan? Average po yan na interest rate na makukuha nyo sa mutual funds or sa stock market, no? So, that's 500,000 per year. So, parang na-replace lang po yung annual income na kinikita mo. Okay? But if you want an accurate financial need analysis to help you determine the right insurance coverage, use the DIME method. Okay po? So, napaka-importante ng dime method. So, para malaman natin and maintindihan natin yung responsibility na meron tayo. So, the dime method provides an overview of your financial responsibilities. In the event of loss, your family's need continues, di ba? So, yung needs nila continuous po yan, hindi natitigil kahit wala ka na. Your financial support continues. Your love continues. Your mortgage payment continues. Your children's education finances continues. So, it's not about the insurance. It's about your responsibility. Okay? So, yan. So, kailangan po nating alamin kung ano yung dime method. So, dime, D stands for debt. I stands for income replacement. Kung ano yung kinumpute natin kanina. And then, M stands for mortgage. Kung meron po kayong kinuhang mortgage na house and lot. And then, yung E stands for education. Kung ilan po yung anak nyo, tas magkano yung target fund nyo para sa education nila, kailangan nyo po ilagay yan. So, kung kayo po ay single, so yan po, dyan na kayo sa U. Pero kung meron po kayong partner, so kailangan nyo po i-fill out yung parehas na column. Okay? So, para po malaman natin kung magkano ba talaga yung total protection each one of you. So, mas maganda po kasi na hindi lang yung lalaki or yung babae ang merong life insurance coverage. Maganda po parehas merong protection. Okay? So, total up po natin yun. Yun po, malalaman natin kung magkano yung kailangan nating protection. Okay? So, two main types of life insurance. Number 1, term insurance and bundled. Okay, you pay the insurance component only. Your savings is in your hands. Difference in premium cost. So, ikaw po yung mag-handle ng savings mo. And you manage your money. So, buy term and invest the difference. So, ito yung tinatawag na BTID. Okay, so, bibili mo lang yung term insurance. Tapos yung difference nun dun sa ibang life insurance product, ikaw yung mag-invest nun. Okay? Yan. And then number 2, term insurance with savings. We call it bundled. So you pay the insurance plus savings. Okay? Your savings on the hands of the insurance company, they manage your money. So the difference is how you pay for it. No? Kung paano mo siya bayaran. Okay? So, meron kasi mga bundled na insurance na talagang napakamahal. Pero dito, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka-flexible and gaano kamura ang most 18 and GRP. Okay. So, yan. So, dito po nag-start yung ating training, no, para sa produktong ito. So, last year po, Manila Bankers Life celebrates their 53rd anniversary. So, ganyan na po katagal ang Manila Bankers Life, no? So, of helping Filipinos build their financial future. So, the best way to show your love. Okay? Presents most 80, multiple option super term, and most GRP. So, yan. So, established on May 19, 1967 by its founding chairman, Senator Hill J. Puyat. So, from him, MB Life has adopted his meaningful and noble declaration and has lived by it for the past 5 decades. So, to serve the people is a privilege we must always cherish. Yan. So, MB Life was founded on a vision of providing the Filipino family valuable support and assistance, especially during times of need. The company has continuously sought to pursue its goal of developing innovative life insurance products that are within reach of the average Filipinos. Yan. So, ano ba yung company's vision? So, to be the preferred life insurance provider in the Philippine market. Yan. And the company's mission is to provide our customers delivery of our commitments beyond their expectation. Yan. So, corporate values. So, with an unwavering faith in God, our core values are integrity and honesty, hard work, competence, and excellence, and they have concern for people. So, maganda po na ito, merong ganitong corporate values ang isang company. Okay? So, yan. About most 18. Multiple options super term 18 is a term life with PDF, Premium Deposit Fund. It allows maximum coverage at a minimal cost. So, for the same amount of protection, most 18 requires you to pay for a very low premium cost compared to other life insurance products, which will require you to pay higher amount of premium. Okay? So, hindi daw pwede magkaroon ng life insurance kung based abroad, no? Kung naka-base ka sa abroad. So, yun po yung ano namin talaga, ex-OFW po kasi ako. Naka-base po ako dati sa Dubai. Yan po yung pinoproblema namin dati, no? So, paano namin mabibigyan ng life insurance coverage yung mga OFWs na naka-base sa abroad, no? So, pwede na po ngayon basta IMG member ka. Yan lang po ang first requirement mo. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-antay na umuwi ka ng Pilipinas para mag-sign ka in the Philippine soil. Okay? Pag member ka ng IMG, yan. Gusto mo bang malaman kung paano? So, ito po, I represent to you yung ating most GRP. Okay? So, this is the same with most 18, kung ano yung diniscuss ko nung una. But this is the insurance product designed especially for IMG members only. Okay? Outside the Philippines. Okay? So, the 4 cornerstone of a strong financial future. So, ito po, no? Dapat po ang isang the 4 cornerstone of a strong financial future. So, dapat po meron itong 4 na ito. This is your final test. Your plan for the future. No? So, first, does it have growth to achieve your goal? Meron po ba yung expected na growth? So, does it have safety? Safe ba yung pera natin dyan? Does it have tax advantage? Yan. So, and does it have proper protection for your family? So, dapat po kompleto ha. Top 4 po, yung 4 cornerstone po na yan. Yan. So, safety. Guaranteed rate not to be lower than top 3 commercial bank savings rate. Okay? And growth. Potential higher rate of return on the investment depending on the investment performance. And protection. Term insurance is in the most 18 is an affordable life insurance enabling people to buy higher face amount and save more for investment. And tax advantage. Life insurance total death benefit is subject to tax. Okay? Yan po. And yung growth natin is potential higher growth based on the investment performance. And yung growth corridor niya, which is, yan yung tinatawag nating safety net. Okay? So, money guaranteed because hindi siya bababa ng 0%. So, meaning, kung hindi siya bababa ng 0%, hindi maglulos yung ating PDF, yung investment natin. So, yan. So, pag-usapan po natin yung safety. Yan. Let's do some math. Mr. A and Mr. B both have 100 peso to invest. In the following scenario, sino kaya ang kikita? Si Mr. A ba o si Mr. B? So, scenario 1, si Mr. A, kumita ng 40%. The next year, nag-negative 20. So, ang neto is 20%. Si Mr. B naman, 10% ang kikinita niya. The next year, 10% din. So, parehas, 20% ang neto nila. Pero sa tingin nyo, sino ang kikita dito? Sino ang kumita yung pera? So, tingnan natin ha. At si Mr. A, so since yung 100 peso niya, kumita ng 40%, that's 140. The next year, yung 140 niya, nag-less ng 20%. So, ang natira na lang sa pera niya is 112. Si Mr. B naman, kumita ng 10% yung 100 niya, kaya naging 110. Yung 110 niya, kumita ng 10%, okay, that's 11, total of 121 yung pera niya. So, sino ang kumita? Si Mr. B. No? Scenario 2. Kahit parehas yung neto, no, sa scenario 1, pero it depends pa rin kung ano yung naging performance ng investment. So, sa 2 naman, si Mr. A kumita ng 50% and then the next year, same, no? Nag-less siya ng 50%. So, ang neto niyan is 0%. Si Mr. B naman, wala. 0%, no? Walang kinita yung pera. So, 0 din yung neto. Sa tingin niyo, sino ang kumita dito? Okay? So, ang result po niyan is, kasi yung 100 ni Mr. A, kumita ng 50. Ang basis kasi the next year is 150. Since 50% yung loss niya, kaya less 75. Kaya yung yung pera niya naging 75. No? So, talo siya ng 25 peso. Pero si Mr. B, since meron siyang zero negative feature, so, na-preserve po yung investment niya, hindi po nalugi. So, yun po yung ibig sabihin ng safety dito sa most 18 and GRP. So, si most 18 has early maturity, no? Yung cash value and saving mature after 5, 10, 15 years. So, issue age nito is from 5 to 60 years old. So, insure yourself and your family. Addresses various financial needs. Serves various future needs such as retirement. Yun po yung PDF natin. Education para sa kids nyo. And travel and savings. No? So, yan po. So, illustration number 1. Purpose. Ang purpose po nitong illustration is para sa educational fund. Okay? So, ang issue age po is 34. Ang projected interest rate naman is 12%. Then, ang kinuha po dito, for example, is 1 million. Yan yung face amount value. And then, yung annual premium is 6,510. Then, yung policy fee is 500 peso. Okay? So, pinakita po dito sa example na yearly, no? Yearly po, kumikita or nagdadagdag po ng 60,000 si policy holder. No? Yung annual contribution niya is 60,000 per year. Until when siya naglagay? Until 10th year. So, yung annual premium niya on the first year is 7,010. But the consecutive or yung mga years na susunod is 6,510 na lang. Bakit? Kasi one time lang yung policy fee. Okay? And then, kung ano yung difference nung 60,000 sa annual premium, yun po yung automatically na mapupunta sa PDF nyo. Okay? So, that is 53,490 until 10th year. Okay? So, nakita nyo dito, tumigil siya na maglagay ng annual contribution, automatically, yung premium na babawas yung doon sa PDF. Binabawas na yung 6,510 automatically. Okay? Until 14th year. Okay? Pero, bakit coach ang laki nung 15th to 18th year? Naging 256,510. It's because nag-withdraw kayo ng 250,000 pesos sa PDF mo. That's why naging 256,510 plus your annual premium. Okay? So, yan. So, ang investment na natitira, depende, no? Kung magkano yung binabawas mo sa PDF mo. Okay? So, as you can see, yung projected interest rate or yung projected year-end value, magdedepende po kung magkano yung nilalagay mo PDF, no? So, maganda na malaki talaga yung PDF natin at the beginning pa lang para malaki yung expected year-end yield and yung projected year-end value. Okay? So, yan po. So, magkano yung total benefit upon death? Kasama na po dyan kasi yung 1 million na basic life insurance coverage on top of your investment. Okay? So, yan po yung makukuha ng beneficiary nyo. Yan. So, ito namang next sample is yung retirement fund. So, same plan po ito. And sa example po nito is yung annual contribution is hindi po consistent and hindi rin po magkakaparehas yung value. Okay? Pero pinakita dito, on the 3rd year, di ba? So, di siya nakabayad ng premium, automatically sa PDF babawasin. Plus, nag-withdraw pa siya ng 20,000 sa PDF niya. Okay lang ba yun, coach? Okay lang. Kasi meron siyang 65,201 na PDF. So, on the third year, ang nangyari, nabawas yung 25,710 doon. So, kaya siya naging 44,229. Okay? So, on the fourth year, nakabawi ulit si policy holder, no? So, nagdagdag ulit siya, 44,000. So, nabawi niya, no? Kung ano yung kinuha man niya dun na 25,710 on the fourth year. So, and so on and so forth. So, ang pinapakita ko lang po dito, regardless, no, kahit hindi ka consistently nakakapagdagdag sa contribution mo, as long as hindi mo sinisiro out yung PDF mo, secured ka. Okay? So, yung PDF mo can serve as your emergency fund as well. Okay po? Habang ibinibuild up mo yung retirement fund mo. Yan. So, convertible to permanent insurance. You have the option to convert your insurance to a permanent policy. So, di ba? Kung natapos mo yung 18 years, ito po yung option mo. Napakaganda, di ba? May permanent insurance ka na. And low chance of lapsation. Premiums may be settled from your investment earnings. Yan. Higher beneficiary benefits. And then, yung advantages of PDF naman. Yung premium deposit fund natin. Very competitive returns, partial or full withdrawal can be made anytime. Maximum of total deposit of 100% of face amount, excluding interest earnings. Okay? Payable to beneficiaries upon death of insured. PDF has higher growth with zero negative. So premium that will fall due may be deducted from the PDF. The client will not need shell out additional payment assuming that the PDF amount will suffice. Okay? Ayan. So, ako ba yung explain? And so, ito na po yung table of gross premiums per 1,000 face amount. Okay, so the premium will be as follows, no? Exclusive of the one-time and non-consumable of commissionable of 500 peso policy fee. Alright, so ito na po yung table of gross premiums per 1,000 face amount value. So, paano po ba natin to gagamitin or paano natin to maintindihan? So, ganito po ang computation niya. So, first step is to determine your desired amount of coverage, which is, for example, is 1 million. I-divide mo po yan by 1,000. Okay? So, that gives you 1,000 as well. Okay? So, identify the rate per 1,000 based on your age. So, for this example, age 30 po yan. So, sa age 30 po, magkano ang rate niya? 5.71. So, i-multiply mo yung number 2, which is 1,000, doon sa 3, which is 5.71. So, that gives you a total premium of 5,710 plus the additional policy fee of 500. So, total amount payable for initial payment is 6,210 for age 30. Di ba? Napakadali lang po computein. So, what if, kung 3 million po yung kailangan ko, what if mas malaki yung insurance coverage na kailangan ko? So, 3 million, i-divide mo lang po, no? I-divide mo lang by 1,000, that is 3,000. So, Anong age to? Age 45 naman. So, sa age 45, magkano po ang 3 million? So, that is 11.75. Diba? Dito sa table natin. So, yung 3,000, i-multiply natin by 11.75. So, that is 35,250 ang premium po. So, syempre, mas tumanda na kasi yung kukuha, kaya mas mataas na po yung premium and mas mataas kasi yung coverage. Okay, so that is 35,750 in total, including the policy fee. So, features and benefits netong dalawang to. Affordable insurance, 50% lower than endowment. So, yan. Ito na po yung features and benefits ng most 18 and GRP. So, affordable insurance, 50% lower than endowment with higher insurance coverage and benefits. Be protected for the contingencies in life. Okay? And higher fund value, PDF allows higher growth of funds and premium flexibility. Settle your contributions based on a schedule that fits your lifestyle. So withdrawal or loan advantage, you can withdraw your savings anytime without any penalty. Okay? Take note walang penalty and hidden charges. Even on the first year, you can still have the protection or coverage. Yan. Level coverage risk. Your cash value or savings is always added to your protection or coverage. Emergency fund advantage. So you already have cash value savings on the first year, which you can withdraw in case of emergency. Okay? And alternative investment. Flexibility. Free to decide where to invest the difference. Okay? Ikaw po bahala kung saan mo isa-save yung tipid mo pera. And early maturity after 5, 10, 15, 18 years. Okay? So, issue age is 5 to 60 for most 18. Issue age is 18 to 60 for most GRP. Okay? Take note po So, sa mga abroad members natin, ang pwede nyo pong i-avail is 18 to 60. And you must be an IMG member. Okay? And third, addresses various financial needs. This can be used for pension, education, travel, and savings. So, convertible to permanent insurance, you have an option to change to permanent policy. People involved. So, dapat alamin natin kung sino yung mga involved dito sa pag-avail nyo ng most 18 and GRP nyo. So, una-una, insured. So, sino ba si insured? Ito yung person whose name is indicated on the application form. So, kung sino yung ikaw mismo. No? So, o kaya yung family members mo na kukuhanan mo. And the person covered by the insurance protection and must be 15 to 60 years old for most 18, but for most GRP must be 18 to 60 and in good health at the date of application and the issuance of policy. Okay? So, in good health po Okay. So, kung meron kayo any medical history or declaration, you must declare it para po malaman at hindi tayo magka-problema in the future sa claims na merong kakailanganin natin. Okay? So, don't worry. Hingyan lang naman po tayo ng additional rider or requirement ni Manila Bankers Life para po matuloy or ma-insure tayo, no? Next is yung payer or owner. Yan, anyone related with insurable interest to the insured and has the capacity to pay. So, dapat po income generating siya. Will shoulder the regular premium for the program and sign on the application form for and in behalf of the insured. If insured is a minor and cannot sign for most 18 only. Okay? Kasi ang most GRP is legal age na. So, must be 18 to 64 years old and in good health at the policy, good health at the date of the purchase and the issuance of the policy. Beneficiary: anyone related to the insured and has insurable interest on the insured. Okay po? So, kailangan po may insurable interest, no, on the insured para po hindi po pagtangkaan ng buhay ng insured. Kasi, 'di ba? Kaya po napaka-importante na family member, no? Yan. So, immediate family member po or first consanguinity, no, ng family. And siya po ang magre-receive ng lahat ng benefits of the plan. So, ayan. So, ano na ba yung next steps natin na kailangan natin gawin para makapag-start na tayo ng MOS 18 and GRP natin? So, unang-una po, undergo an insurance needs analysis. Pwede nyo po kaming kontakin, no? Nandyan po yung aming contact details. Ang pinaka-fastest way po natin magka-usap tayo is Facebook Messenger. So, you can search our name. So, yan po yung aming name, no? So, Andrew Fabillar Jr. and realyn.manalili Fabillar. So, pwede nyo po kaming i-search right away after this video. And let's start discussing this. And so that we can process your online application and go through the underwriting process. Okay? And always take note that hindi ka po bumibili ng life insurance mo because pinaghahandaan mo yung kamatayan mo. Okay? But because those you love are going to live. No? Reason kung bakit tayo kumukuha ng life insurance. Okay? Yung loved ones po natin. Okay? And again, my name is Andrew Fabillar Jr., Executive Vice Chairman and proud member of International Marketing Group since 2014. Ayan. So, thank you so much po sa pakikinig and see you po ulit sa next upload namin dito sa YouTube. And ayun. So, God bless po everyone and always stay safe. Okay? Thank you.